this spokesman, Geoff Morrell, in a statement yesterday was referring to a quote-unquote Kurdish government. I'm wondering, do you recognize any Kurdish government on earth?
Mr. Ambrose, I'm assuming that Jeff would have been referring to the regional or provincial government of the northern areas of Iraq. Certainly, the United States recognizes the territorial integrity of Iraq. The regional government in the Kurdish areas there is part of Iraq, and we certainly don't recognize any separate country or separate entity outside of that Iraqi government.
Do you have any direct or indirect contact with PKK leadership in northern Iraq?
Mr. Ambrose, we consider the PKK a terrorist organization. We don't engage in conversations with terrorist groups.
But when General Russell was in charge for the negotiations on behalf of the Department of State, how he presented your views to PKK leadership?
Mr. Ambrose, the PKK is a terrorist organization. We want to put the PKK out of business. General Ralston's, conversations were with Turkish government officials and Iraqi government officials. He was not engaged in a dialogue with the PKK.
One more. Since Turkey has 3 battalions in northern Iraq, according to the Department of Defense, before the 2003 invasion occupation, did you coordinate any operation against PKK?
Mr. Ambrose, in terms of military operations involving the Iraqis or Turkish military, I'd refer you to them if you want to know what our military is doing. If you clearly are paying attention to what Jeff's been saying, you can go ask him about that.
Thank you.
And sorry.
Anything new on U.S. contact with Turkey over the Parliament vote? And what's your current assessment of the vote here, whether it will happen this week and whether it will go your way?
Okay. Well, in terms of Washington senior-level contacts, I don't have anything new to report for you. Ambassador Wilson in Ankara continues to be in contact with Turkish officials on this issue, and again, I think our message continues to be the same as well. As you have seen, there's been a number of congressmen that had been co-sponsors or had indicated their support for this resolution who have now changed their view and have said they no longer support it. We've seen comments as well from Speaker Pelosi saying that she was going to consult with the remaining co-sponsors to see what might or might not happen in terms of future floor action. We're encouraged by those statements, but certainly we believe that we need to continue our efforts to work with members of Congress to show our continued opposition to this measure and hope to eventually see it defeated. In a perfect world, it would be wonderful if this didn't, in fact, come to the floor, but if it does, we're going to make sure that we continue our efforts to work with individual congressmen because we don't think this is the right resolution. Yeah.
One of the PKK leaders named Karayan said the English newspaper that, quote, "We have some contacts with Americans," unquote. Do you have any comment on that?
Nothing beyond what I told you. We consider the PKK a terrorist organization. I'm certainly not aware of any contacts we would have, and it would be contrary to policy if we did.